Today I'm going to be doing a pink V-cut French, and I'm going to add some cool decals at the end just to spice it up a little bit. I'm using Young Nails Cover Peach powder for the nude part of this full set, and the pink will be a pink that I made myself. I just mixed a few colors together, added in a little bit of milky white and some clear to come up with the pink, and I'll show you how I do each and every step. Okay, so I'm gonna lay the acrylic starting near the cuticle instead of starting by the free edge. I'm doing that because our free edge is gonna be hot pink and we're gonna have that nice V cut out. I'm also adding acrylic as needed, just to make sure I have a strong apex to minimize any breakage. I'm going to repeat that process on all 10 nails, starting at the cuticle and then working my bead all the way down and forming it into a V shape with my brush. Sometimes you can use an X-Acto knife or a razor blade to get that V, but I find it's really pretty much not necessary. You can just shape it with your brush and then go in and refine it with your hand file, which I'll show you later on in the video. Once you're done laying your nude acrylic, you're going to go back in with your hand file and just refine the sides of that and get it as sharp and V-like as you possibly can. Now for the fun part. We're going to start adding our hot pink to the free edge and making that nice V. If you notice, I'm putting the hot pink over the nude for the most part. It's not going to matter because we're going to use our efile bit to cut through that pink and reveal our nice V shape. You're going to repeat that process on all 10 nails. Don't worry about making a mess or getting pink over the nude, because again, we're going to go over that and we're going to file all of that off. Here comes the big reveal. We're going to use our medium bit from Kupa, which I'll leave the link in the description below, to shave through all the pink that's on top of the nude and reveal our nice V shape that we made with our nude acrylic powder. I'm also going to clean up the sides of the nail a little bit with the efile bit, and then I'll refine it and hand file at the end. As you can see, I'm cleaning up the sides and as well as under the nail to get any bits of acrylic that may have slipped under there. And this is our final product. Isn't it beautiful? Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.